Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. I hope you understood exercise 2.5 up to question number 9 properly. Today we are going to discuss question number 10 to question number 14. So let's start the topic. In this section we will discuss the question factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. Before solving this question, you should learn this identity a cube plus b cube is equal to, in first bracket, like a face, a plus b, second bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. So we will write is equal to 27 is the cube of 3y cube plus 125 5z cube. Now is equal to first bracket a is equal to 3y, b is equal to 5z, 3y plus 5z in second bracket 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z square is equal to 3y plus 5z second bracket 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Then question number 2. 64 m cube minus 343 n cube can be written as 64 is a cube of 4. So 4m cube minus 343 is the 7n cube. Now here using identity a cube minus b cube is equal to first bracket a minus b, second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So using this identity we will get is equal to 64 means 4m cube. So I will write here first bracket 4m minus 7n and second bracket 4m square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n square is equal to 4m minus 7n 16m square plus 4 sevens are 28 mn plus 49 n square. Question 11. Factorize 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9 xy/z. So for solving this question, you should learn this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to first bracket a plus b plus c, second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz can be written as 27 is the 3x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3x. In place of a, 3x. In place of b, y. In place of c, 3z and 3abc is equal to, using above identity, 3x plus y plus z, another bracket 3x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy, product of minus yz minus zx. What you have to do? Product 3xy, yz and zx. Product of this 3xz minus 3xz. So final factor 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz and minus 3 zx. Question 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half into x plus y plus z in another bracket x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. Now, we have to verify. Verification means we have to show that this side is equal to this. Now, we know that identity. Which identity? We know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So we will write here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, we know that, what we know, this identity is equal to first bracket x plus y plus z and second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now I have to prove this. So first bracket is the same. Now I want half here, and I second bracket in place of this I have to write x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. So I have to think how I will bring here x. I have x square and xy. How I will bring here x minus y square. So we will write here is equal to first bracket as it is x plus y plus z. I want 1 by 2, so I write 1 by 2, and here whole bracket I multiply by 2 x square plus y square plus z square minus xy, and if I solve this bracket I will get 2x square plus 2y square plus, means this 2 is cancelled. Okay, so we are multiplying by only 1. There is no any change in the given statement. So I can write in place of this, I can write here 2x square, 2y square, 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay. So we will write here 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx. Now, in place of this bracket, I have to create this bracket. So for this, I have to think something. 2x square, I can write x square plus x square. 2y square can be written as y square plus y square. 2z square can be written as z square plus z square. And I have minus 2xy minus 2yz. So I can write this like this way, half into, now half already we want x plus y plus z. Now in place of 2x I am writing x square, and here I am writing minus 2xy, and from this 2y square I am taking 1y square. So I write 1 bracket plus 2y square, 1y square I write here, again y square, minus I am writing here 2yz, and here z, so I am writing in place of 2z square I am taking 1z square, and plus third bracket I am writing z square minus 2zx plus 1x was remaining 1x square, so 1x square and bracket complete. Clear? In place of this x square I write like this way, 1x square here and 1x square here, 2x square, 1y square, 1y square, 2y square, and 1z square, 1z square, 2z square. Okay, so now if I observe carefully, I understand half into x plus y plus z in another bracket. This is what identity, a minus b square. So I can write x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square, and is equal to RHS. Actually, this was LHS. So LHS was this, and we prove that. So LHS is equal to RHS. It means that hence verified. So this is the way you have to solve the questions. Question number 12. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So now we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, in first bracket, x plus y plus z, and second bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, if I put in place of this 0, 0 into this bracket, 0 into anything, answer is 0. So, minus xy minus yz minus zx, 0 into anything is equal to 0. So, I got x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, and this only we have to prove. So this is proved. So this is the way you have to prove. So in all the questions, what is important, you should remember identities. What are the identities? A cube plus b cube is equal to what? First bracket a plus b, second bracket a square minus ab minus b square. Second identity, a cube minus b cube is equal to first bracket a minus b, second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. And third identity is this: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, first bracket x plus y plus z, second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood the concept of identity and factorization properly.